I think I'm going to go ahead and stop trading today. We've got the Fed meeting tomorrow. The market, I think, is going to be on hold until then. I've had a decent day. I'm actually up 1,100 on very small size shares, so I'll probably keep 1,000 of it. Not much to learn really from the losers. These were just tight stops that I set and didn't work out, but Andy and I had success focusing on the sectors that were strong and the volume plays. So all in all, a pretty good day for me. I'm definitely happy with that.
Okay, guys, I'm up $160 in this trade. I got 2,000 shares. I'm going to take 1,000 of it off. So hopefully you're getting to see the whole trade here. So I'm going to load 1,000, and there's another stock that I'm looking at over there that Steve just pointed out to me that I want to go catch if it goes. So I'm going to take 1,000 shares off it. Okay, sold it at 45 right there. Okay, here's my JetBlue. I'm going to go ahead and put a stop on this thing to sell at 44. And so if it breaks down below that 45 again, I'm going to be out. You can see my PMI trade down there. It was a nice call by Steve. He noticed that ABK was really taking off. I believe that was based on some news yesterday after the close at Merrill Lynch, or somebody increased their stake in it, so could be a possible buyout there. And this is just a sympathy play, so I'm going to take 500 shares off the table here. Okay, sold 500 at 46. And JetBlue is still hanging on, and I have a stop in there at 44 cents if those 45s don't hold. Okay, wanted to show you what I have going here. I know you guys like to see the entries, but it's impossible for me in all the stocks I'm looking at and jumping around as much to show you all the entries. And a lot of times, as you witnessed on that JetBlue, a lot of times I'm sitting there and just staring, so I really don't know when to hit the record button. So anyway, I noticed that the banks were having a nice move. Bank of America CEO has been saying some words out there. It's close to highs. I picked up a couple hundred of it, kind of as a leader of this group, and I also picked up some Washington Mutual. I got a good buy down there at 40 when it pulled back here to this level. I picked up 1,000 shares of Washington Mutual. I picked up 1,000 shares of Citigroup also at 80 cents. Scalped out 500. I have 500 left. ASSI I picked up down here just because the solar started to make a play. First Solar, as you can see, just having a nice little move there. ASSI probably going to be a good sympathy play for me here. So anyway, that's where I stand, and I'll get back to you. Now, the market's kind of dead right now. I just kind of wanted to update you on my progress so far. I am currently at 1446 before commission, so I haven't traded a whole lot of shares today. Made a nice little had a nice little run on the banks, so I made some money on that BAC I was in. Sold that pretty much at 42. Citigroup I got out there around the 28 level. And Washington Mutual actually had a really nice trade on that and got out around 65 or something like that. Right now I'm still in 600 shares of ISIS. It's working for me, having a nice little trend upward right there. Broke through the highs right there, so I sold 400 shares. I have 600 left. And I noticed the stem cells were getting active on some pretty good volume, so I don't know if this has to do with a lot of people will speculate on the Democrats, winning the election, and they'll start nibbling on these stem cell stocks really early. So I'm just playing the momentum, but anyway, it's an idea to always keep in your back of your head, because try to get ahead of the ball game. But anyway, that's where I stand, and it's market is trying to go higher here. I'll give you a look at the Qs. Just trying to poke its little head up, but right now we're really in no man's land. I don't expect a whole lot today since we have the Fed meeting tomorrow, but I'll still be watching just in case. Okay, I was able to catch this CHNR. It's a little China Natural Resources play. I saw that volume bar right there. Anytime, we often look for, highs with volume coming in like that. I mean, if you see something like that, that's really shows good momentum there. That's a nice looking chart right there. The stock on the daily, yeah, it's been beat up. It's not that attractive, but you see something like that, there's a good chance it's some bottom fishing going on here, and it's in play for some reason or another. I really don't care. I just look for the volume, yeah, and look for the spike in the price of the stock. Also took a chance on this STV here. Just looks really enticing. It's another China play, although it's not in the energy sector like that China National Resources. Somebody's been holding it here at 20. I just bought a couple hundred shares. If that seller leaves, this could have a similar move as that CHNR. Okay, guys, quick update here. I'm in this Gurn. There's a big offer, 5,800 shares there for UBS, from UBS. So it's funny, ironically, he's the one that gave him an upgrade this morning. That was for the reason for the gap up. So I'm taking a look at this. The reason I'm looking at it really hard is I want to show you stem here. It just keeps going higher. As you can see, I'm in that. But this Gurn, I'm going to load 2,000 here. And if it starts to take this big offer right here, I'm going to jump on and really load up on this thing. Okay, I don't want to waste my video time here, so I'm going to put it on pause and hopefully get back to you so you can watch that if something happens there. Alright guys, here's this Gurn. Dang it! Big volume coming in. Geez, I didn't get the price I wanted. Okay, I got 3,500 now. It's a nice little volume bar there. This Gurn's working nicely for me. Would have had a better price, but I took one for the team. I was trying to get you guys show you the movement, and I missed out on a couple levels. But I have 4,200 shares now. This thing's approaching highs at 5. So if it can, well, if it can get to this 5, it could really take off. So I'm going to watch it here and see how it reacts. I may look to unload maybe half my position here at the 5 level. Okay, if it has a hard time poking through, because we are getting into midday now, and we'll just have to see how it reacts here at the 5 level. Okay, here it is. We got a 501 bid. Not crazy about the market right here. We're trying to go to lows. This shouldn't really trade with the market. It's a stem cell company with an upgrade this morning by UBS, but still we have a rule: always trade the market first. And well, right now the market looks like it wants to roll over and go to lows. I'll give you a shot of the Qs here. So not looking real healthy there. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a couple of thousand shares off of this Gurn. Okay, I sold a 501. I sold 2,000 shares. I'm going to go ahead and sell another 200 to make it an even 2,000 left. Just go ahead and hit the bid there at 5. Okay, guys, it's at 3 hours into the market. I've had a decent morning today. I'm up almost $2,000. Give you a little show you where I made my money this morning. My biggest trade was DND, and that was in the early going. Saw the volume, and I can't remember if I got that on video or not. It was a real quick movement. I probably didn't, but had some really nice volume. I'll take you back and show it to you in just a second. Made some good money on Gurn, and you can see just some nice, $100 to $200 to $300 trades. Losers were a minimum. My biggest loser was Coco that for $30. So I'm up 1946 right now on very limited shares, so it's a nice little profit for this morning. I'm not sure with the Fed meeting tomorrow. I may call it a day. So if I don't get back to you, you